IPO cycle. Have you seen your mother making mango shake for you? This is what she does to make the mango shake. 1. She puts the mango pieces, sugar, and milk in the blender. This is the input. 2. The blender mixes all the things. This is the process. 3. She pours the mango shake in the glass. Mango shake is ready to drink. This is the output. Input, process, output. Similarly, we give instructions to the computer. The computer then works on the instructions and gives us the result. The instructions that we give to the computer are called input. The working of the computer is called processing, and the result we get is called output. Thus, a computer works in 3 steps: input, process, output. This is also called IPO cycle. Let us look at some more examples of IPO cycle. 1. Pizza base and toppings. Input. Baking. Process. Hot pizza. Output. 2. Debit card. Input. ATM machine. Processing. Cash. Output.